Welcome to the brand new community over here in Arrington, Tennessee called Fiddlers Glen. Now, we are a moment's throw away from the award-winning Arrington Vineyards and the brand new Arrington Elementary School, as well as being a moment's throw from Nolensville. And if you can't already tell me, which is one of the reasons why we actually started here specifically, this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at all the nature that's around us and just the beauty that's around us. They've gone ahead and done some really cool things with this community that I'll make sure to give you a tour of as well. Now, if you're not familiar with Arrington, I've gone ahead and done definitely a virtual walking tour of the area. I'll make sure to go ahead and pop that up somewhere here for you as well. But it happens to be located in Williamson County. And Williamson County has been named time and time again as one of the best places to raise your family, also one of the best places to send your kids to schools, and one of the best places for young professionals as well. Now, Fiddlers Glen is a brand new community over here in Arrington, Tennessee. It happens to be located roughly about 28 to 30 miles away from downtown Nashville. So if you're looking for a great place to be able to raise the family, you want some great schools, and you want to be able to easily be able to jump over to all that is downtown Nashville, Fiddlers Glen might be the perfect spot for you. Fiddlers Glen happens to be being built by the award-winning builders Wieland Homes, which happens to be, like I mentioned to you, an award-winning, and when I talk award-winning, I'm talking over 600 awards for excellence alone. They also happen to be a part of the Pulte Group as well. Now, when we talk homes, you're looking at anywhere between 3 to 5 beds. You got a 2 to 3 car garage. You've got 2,600 to right around 3,500 square feet. You've got some amazing features that actually come with the home just in general. You got those 10-foot high ceilings, those 8-foot high doors, those beautiful French doors that lead into your office. And you've also got some beautiful porches, and oh my gosh, just some things that just go ahead and bring you to that full southern charm. Now, Fiddlers Glen is a full phase community that's comprising of 2 different phases, and simply put, that just means all the lots that are in this community are available and are able to go ahead and be purchased. Now, there are 80 home sites, and currently at the filming of this video, there are literally only 30 homes left to be able to purchase over here in Fiddlers Glen. All right, so let's talk timeline as far as going ahead and being able to move inside of your home. So you found the lot, you absolutely love it, you go ahead and you go under contract. And from the moment you do that to the moment your home is being able to be moved into, you unpack those boxes and you're able to now call it home. You're looking at roughly around 7 to 10 months in terms of build to move in ready. Now, when we talk prices, obviously it's going to range just based on the upgrades and the features that you go ahead and add into the home, but you're looking at roughly around $750,000 to $1.15 million, just depending on what you go ahead and upgrade in the home. Now, currently, one of the things that Fiddlers Glen is doing for any of the buyers that are going ahead and purchasing over here in Fiddlers Glen is they're offering a $40,000 incentive towards pretty much anything you want to go ahead and use it to. It's classified as flex cash, and really what that just means is you can go ahead and you can put it towards the purchase price, you can go ahead and put it towards a rate buy down, closing cost, or one of the things that a lot of my clients go ahead and do is they actually go ahead and they utilize it towards that design studio appointment. So they're being able to go ahead and add to their home exactly what they want for their brand new home. All right, so let's go ahead and actually talk amenities over here at Fiddlers Glen. You've got some amazing sidewalks, an absolutely gorgeous fireplace, a great spot for, say, that spring, summer, or even that winter time. You want to go ahead, you want to sit out there, be able to go ahead and drink a glass of wine, maybe some bourbon, hot cocoa, and be able to connect with your neighbors. It's going to be an absolutely phenomenal spot to be able to do that. But probably one of my favorites is right exactly where we're at right here. You've got a gorgeous walking trail through these beautiful Just absolutely gorgeous trees and nature all around us. And wait, did you hear that? That's right, nothing. I absolutely love it. I love nature, I love green, and right now we are here in the winter time, right? And so you can see the trees are definitely bare and dead, but can you just imagine that spring or that summer or even, oh my gosh, that Tennessee fall with all those gorgeous colors? This is going to be an absolutely amazing spot to be able to walk and take the dogs out, heck, go for a run, get outdoors, just disconnect from all that can be that hustle and bustle. Now let's go ahead and give you a tour of the community so you can get a feel for what is Fiddlers Glen, so you can really get a feel for what it is and if it's right for you and your family. Hey, make sure you stay to the end. I'm gonna make sure that I pop up here or here a bit more information about Arrington and that walking tour that we've gone ahead and done so you can get to know the area. And two, I'm also gonna do a virtual tour of Fiddlers Glen model homes over here as well, so you can really get an inside look as to those floor plans, those finishes, and what the home looks like and feels like as well. Hey, if you are moving in the next 9 days or the next 90 and you looked at Fiddlers Glen and you thought, hey, that might be the right fit for me and my family, we're gonna go ahead and add it to the list. Feel free to leave a comment below, or you can text me, email me, call me. Let's connect face to face, figure out exactly what it is you're looking for, and really just make this be the easiest, smoothest process for you. Other than that, thanks for watching this video.